Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going to decorate and clean the TV stand to prepare for Thanksgiving. I'm just going to take you all along with me. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. We love to have you. Okay, so we are in the living room. So the first thing I'm going to do is just start with a blank slate. So I'm going to clean off the top of the TV stand and the TV. I've cleared all of the previous decor so we can start from scratch. Okay guys, so I'm going to take my blue cleaning cloth, add a little bit of water, and get this TV clean. After that, I come in with my disinfecting wipes and just wipe all the knobs off. It is flu season, so we got to cut down on the germs. I'm going to go and dust everything off, and as I start off with most projects, I need a base or something to protect the furniture. So this is nothing but a piece of folded up curtain, and I'm just going to put it right down the middle of the TV console to protect it, and it'll start my decor. Next, I come back with the lace. This lace was on a long roll, and I'm just overlapping it and folding it in certain areas to give it more depth. Once I'm done with the burlap, I just put on one side, I did to the other. So I started with the two white vases, and then I came in with the candy dishes. But now the hurricane I'm working on now, it was a candy dish, but now I'm just putting pumpkin filler in there and arranging it how I want it. So inside of each of these tall vases, the clear cylinder ones, they're pumpkins that are painted, it's leaves and pine cones. So after I get those filled up, I'll go in with my next piece. But what I did to the left side of the TV console, I did to the right. So there's a pumpkin on each end, followed by a rose, a pink candle in the back, and followed after the roses are two gold picks. The two candy dishes in the middle are sitting on a wooden pumpkin. So at this point, I'm done with the top of the TV console. I'm just going to take one set of string lights and intertwine them through all of the decor just to add a little bit more ambiance. So once I'm done with my string lights, I'm gonna come in with this galvanized gather sign. This was also found at Walmart, and it's really long, so it'll stretch out well. I'm just wrapping it around the knobs because I want to shorten the length of this sign so that I'll be able to go into the drawers to keep shoes in some of those drawers. Once I was done with that, I just opened up some more candy to go into the two center candy dishes. I switched it out from the Halloween candy to more Thanksgiving appropriate candy. So in this clip, I am all done. I'm just lighting the pumpkin. Okay guys, I'm all done. That probably took me about 5 to 7 minutes. So let's go over and take a closer look at the TV stand. Hope you enjoy. I hope you all enjoyed this little decorate / clean with me. I'm just curious as to how everyone else is decorating for Thanksgiving. Which colors are you using, or which stores did you shop at? I really had fun doing this little project, and as I continue to decorate around my home, I will of course come back to take you all with us along the process. If you are new, please consider subscribing and sticking around. We would love to have you. Be blessed, and thanks for watching.